Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. We all know life can be so tough sometimes, and I think this is the perfect little care package to send to someone to cheer them up.
This is the Sending Sunshine 10-piece sunflower gift box that is sure to brighten anyone's day that receives it. It comes with so many wonderful little gifts that are just going to make you feel so loved when you receive them. The soap and candle are so lightly scented. They are perfect for anyone. I love the wine tumbler that it comes with, even a fun little stress ball and a fake sunflower, and this beautiful bath bomb and warm fuzzy socks, as well as this incredibly warm, soft, fuzzy blanket and a beautiful, inspiring bracelet that you can wear to really cheer you up on those days when you're down. This is the perfect thing to send to somebody if they've been sick or are going through a rough time. They are going to just feel so loved and comforted, wrapping themselves in this great blanket and drinking out of this sunny, happy cup. I think it's just such a perfect gift for anyone that you want to send some happiness to. It is all so thoughtfully curated and wrapped together. It is sure to be the best gift that they have received in a long time.
So spread some sunshine and send this to someone that you love. It is absolutely going to make their day, and that's my point of view.